2023. Here we are, January. What's the real estate market doing right now? People would be surprised to know after what's been going on in the economy that it's still healthy and strong here. Right now, there's actually only 695 homes on the market. That's single family homes, townhomes, condos, everything combined in all of Santa Clara County from literally Gilroy to Palo Alto. That's a really low number. That represents less than 1/10% of all of the housing stock that exists in Santa Clara County. It makes for a situation where the buyers that are out there looking don't have a lot of choices, and if they're very serious about buying a house, it's not going to be easy for them. Yet at the same time, due to the fact that we had such a spike in interest rates and prices came down so significantly, a lot of these buyers are now feeling like they have more leverage than maybe they really do in this market. You have this sort of problem where you have very low inventory. Buyers really should be willing to accept a few more things than what they're willing to accept, maybe asking for too much repairs or trying to get too good of a deal on the house, and it's really hard to make the transactions happen in those scenarios. The really aggressive buyers that are out there that want to buy a house and want to do so quickly and the offer is really good, they have a chance of beating out the competition. Don't let the news fool you. Really nicely well presented houses that are priced appropriately for today's market, those houses are going to see more than one offer in most cases. And so definitely don't overthink your leverage if you're a buyer. And sellers also understand that there's a perception problem with buyers psychologically right now, and they may think they have more leverage than they do. So don't hold that against them. Just try to work out a good deal.